For the introduction, this research project examines the 2022 Facility Maintenance Log at the Jabatan Pembangunan dan Penyelenggaraan JPP Department of Universiti Utara Malaysia. The objective is to perform exploratory data analysis, which includes a statistical and visual analysis of the dataset to identify trends and insights. This initiative will improve JPP's decision-making and operational efficiency while offering useful data for resource management and strategic planning. The main advantage of the project is that it will enable JPP to use patterns to predict the amount of facilities maintenance that will be required in the next month, which will lead to more efficient operations and better management strategies. For the problem statement, the JPP department at Universiti Utara Malaysia face challenges in budgeting resources for facility maintenance. The lack of data-driven approach hampers accurate financial estimates, potentially leading to budget constraint and inefficient resource use. Understanding maintenance patterns and types is limited, impacting manpower optimization, especially during non-office hours. Currently, the JPP lacks a systematic method to analyze 2023 historical maintenance data. This hinders informed decisions on resource allocation, strategic planning, and workforce management, causing delays in addressing maintenance needs, particularly during critical periods. This is bar plot for our report by month. From this bar plot, we can see that November had the highest count of report, while February had the lowest count of report. The increased number of reports in November may be attributed to the commencement of the first semester for students in A221. On the contrary, the lower count in February could be due for it to being the last month for students in A212.
This bar plot visualizes the total reports in November, which has the highest total reports in 2022. The highest report count for facilities maintenance is in electrical engineering unit, and the lowest number of reports is in PLP unit. This bar plot visualizes the total reports in February, which has the lowest report overall in 2022. The highest report count for facilities maintenance is in electrical engineering unit, and the lowest is in PLP unit. This information can assist the management to predict the most report that could possibly occur in the future months is in the electrical engineering unit, and the least possible will be in the PLP unit. So this is the total percentage of damage reported in different analysis locations along laluan A. Maybank stands out with the highest damage at 23.36%, whereas Mas reports the lowest at 13.08%.
So this is the percentage of report by Inasis in Laluan B. From the pie chart, we can see that Inasis grant is the top of the list, which the report damage is at 27.54, while MISC reports the least for 5.82%. And this slide is the percentage of report by Inasis in Laluan C. The highest record is in Inasis Bank Muamalat, which is 52.74%, and the least is in Inasis Yasan Al Bukhari with 47.26%. So this is the pie chart for the percentage of reports by Inasis in Laluan D. For the highest damage reports is in SME Bank for 50.16%, while in Bank Rakyat reports the least for 49.84%.
Box plot engineering unit by month. This box plot representing the distribution of month for each engineering unit. The highest middle line is electronic, which is 8. This suggests that on average, the central position of the monthly data point for electronics tend to be higher compared to other engineering units. Electronic consistently exhibit a higher central tendency as indicated by the position of the middle line in the box plot. Box plot chosen analysis based on month. This box plot represents the distribution of months for each selected location in a Win, MISC, BSN, Sundarbi, and Bank Muamalat. The highest middle line is in a Win, which is above 8.75. This suggests that on average, the central position of the monthly data point for Inasis Win tend to be higher compared to other selected locations. The whisker extends to show the range of the data, and any point beyond the whisker are considered outliers. In conclusion, our project provides valuable insight into repair request trend and pattern in 2022. We showcase how our programming can extract and analyze monthly reports, emphasizing the effectiveness of bar graph for visualization. The project also demonstrated creating informative bar graph and counting report for each unique kejutaraan by month. Additionally, a pie chart was used to show the percentage of report by 16 INASIS at UUM categorized into different groups. The overall study underscores the power of analysis and visualization in extracting important insights from complex dataset.